So this is kind of it for the snow. If, I don't know, unless we get a storm in the beginning of March, but the rest of February is looking like 40 degrees. So I have a feeling that all of this snow is going to be going away. But for right now, this is kind of the magic time because I got the snow and it's 40 degrees and I'm not freezing, which is nice. So I see a shot right down there, the tip of that branch with the water, and there's some lines. There's a composition there, I think. So I'm gonna see what I can do with that. I gotta get my Z7 II set up. These conditions aren't gonna last because every day it's supposed to be 40 degrees moving forward. Boy, no fear of losing that tripod. It is stuck on there. Alright, 120 at f11, ISO 64. I think I may have to go to a heavier tripod, particularly with this 70 to 300. Yeah, it's amazing how much easier the ZFC has made my in the field work. I just pretty much hit the red button and hit record and go. I mean, it's really fantastic. The auto white balance, the auto focus, the auto exposure is all pretty much dead on. And so there's so much less screwing around. It's really amazing. It makes my work in the field to do videos. It's tough enough doing photography and video at the same time. Now it's one less thing to worry about. One of the things I want to check out is I got that 28mm kit lens with the ZFC, and I want to try it on the Z6 II and see how it does for video. So that's the next thing I want to try. I got some interesting shots. I'm seeing like square compositions and things like that, so we'll see. Like I said, these conditions aren't going to last. Everything's melting, which, you know, there comes a time for everything. But there's no more snow in the forecast, so now's the time to get out if you want to get these snow shots. And it's actually quite pleasant out here. There's no wind, so it's quite nice. So you got to take advantage of the situation when the conditions are right. Okay, hey, thanks for coming out today. Conditions were right. We still have the snow, but it's 40 degrees, 45 degrees almost. The snow's not going to be around forever. There's a hill behind me and there's something clacking around out there. It's probably an elk or a deer, I hope. It's making clacking sounds on the rocks, so it's probably got hooves and not paws. Paws is bad, hooves is okay. Yeah, not sure what that is. Anyway, I'm like a mile from the Eagle Cap Wilderness, so there's all kinds of critters out here. And how nice it would be to be in the Lake District or the Peak District in England where, you know, all there is sheep. But out here, I mean, you need to, I mean, you know, it's not like people aren't getting mauled all the time, but there's definitely some critters out here to be aware of. We even have wolves now, which is interesting. Yeah, not sure what that is. So, hey, thanks for coming out. I'm going to get out of here and go get some lunch. Fun day doing photographing. Fun day doing photography out here. Nice to be able to actually do some photography and make some compositions. Nothing, I don't think, again, nothing groundbreaking, I don't think. But I always feel that way when I'm close to home. For some reason, you always have to go somewhere in order to make it worthwhile. I'm not sure what that's all about. But you never know. I mean, there might be something here. We'll see. It was definitely started getting the creative mind area working, which is good. And yeah, nice conditions. So definitely, I appreciate you coming out. And like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Evidently, like is a big thing, so please do that. Yeah, help the channel out, costs you nothing. Now that's value for money. And we'll see you out here. All right, have a great one. Bye.